Uganda Swimming Federation officials are not taking anything for granted, despite recently being classified as one of a handful of low-risk sports disciplines. The Federation has issued a set of standard operation procedures, or SOPs, as it awaits clearance from responsible authorities. Federation spokesperson Eric Kisero says FINA COVID-19 prevention guidelines were followed while formulating the Uganda Swimming Federation SOPs.
The government says you wash your hands for around 20 seconds with soap. So that soap to the swimming pool, these are the chemicals that we're using. Once this virus gets in touch with soap, it is destroyed. Same thing once it gets in touch with the swimming pool chemicals. So we just urge pool users or pool operators and facility owners to make sure that they reach standards. They continue keeping the standards of pool treatment.
Limiting the number of swimmers during competitions and training sessions is a major theme in the SOPs.
I'll give you an example. If a team has 40 swimmers, you realize that they're going to be training only 25% of that capacity, which will be building them, which will give them enough safety in terms of health issues. It will be a bit of a challenge to the coaches in terms of performance, because they're used to working with their full team, which has 40 swimmers, and now they are working with 10 swimmers. But again, that is not going to stop us from doing the sport.
Kisero says the swimming fraternity has bore the brunt of the COVID-19 pandemic.
I'll give you an example. To a national swimmer or to a performance swimmer, once you miss 1 day of training, it will take you 2 other sessions, which are 2 days of recovery. So if these athletes have been out of the pool for 4 months, these coaches have designed big macro cycles to see that they can qualify their athletes probably in Toronto 2024. Others were aiming to go into different world championships, African championships, and they've been out of the pool for 4 months.
Although the Uganda Swimming Federation has called off all sporting events on its 2020 calendar, the administrative programs will continue. Sam Mpoza, NTV Sport.